really busy lately. Although sometimes I think I just use that as an excuse. I really need to get back to Indonesia, and it's starting to weigh pretty heavy on me. That's why you've seen the videos slow down. I'm starting to lose some motivation. I just got to get back. Anyhow, it's a beautiful day. It's a day off. So like a golf club, let's just grip it and rip it. Here we are at Golf Course Road. Continuing on Golf Course Road past the actual golf course. Let's take a little stroll through the golf course parking lot, shall we? Why not? Beautiful. I didn't realize this is a pretty nice golf course. Good to see those dudes having fun, especially without a ridiculous mask. That's another thing, by the way. I am absolutely finished with the Con-Rona. Done with it. The exit's over here. See if I can get you one more shot of the course. Just got to turn myself a little. Aim that down. There you go. Yeah, that's nice. You got the East Side Mountains. Need a hand, brother?
I think I'm good.
All right. Yeah. Drive someday. Here we are at Skalkaho. We have a decision to make. Left or right? If we go right, we can do Sleeping Child. If we go left, we can do the trailhead. Let's do the trailhead. Why not? Left. Fuck it, as they say. Found what I was looking for. Let's see. Just park in the usual spot. Right in the shade. I'm serious when I said back at the golf course, I'm so tired of Con-Rona. I've had it. Everybody believes all this shit is some kind of big coincidence. All these accidents, explosions, and fires, and disease, and riots. People crack me up that believe anything. But that's not the point of this video. We're gonna sit down, enjoy Xanadu by Rush in my headphones, and just enjoy nature. And in case there's any, you know, crazies or dangerous wild animals, of course, I got my sidearm, so we're fine. How so fitting. Along for the ride, which you are, my friends. Oh, there's the way back up. Or another way back up, I should say. All right, a bench in the shade. Exactly what I was looking for. Well, not exactly, but perfect. Well, my friends, as we walk out of the trailhead here, the day is young, so I think we'll start a new one and call it an end to this one. Grip it and rip it. Catch you next time, friends.